Hey everyone, welcome to Cyber. Today, I'll show you how to use focus mode on your iPhone to minimize distractions. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to find Focus. Tap on it to open the focus settings. Here, you'll see different focus modes like Do Not Disturb, Personal, Work, and Sleep. Tap on one to customize it. Tap Add Schedule or Automation to set specific times or locations for focus mode to activate automatically. Customize who can contact you and which apps are allowed to send notifications while in focus mode by tapping People and Apps. Finally, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Tap on Focus and select your desired mode to activate it instantly. And that's it. You've set up focus mode on your iPhone. For more quick tech tips, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cyber.